I'm just curious, Mr. Slocum, on what he was just talking about in terms of the rising costs for families at home. Are, are there any solutions that folks have been talking about in terms of this?
Absolutely. And in my written testimony, I cite to some excellent research by the Harvard Law Electricity Policy Institute, which documents all of these problematic deals between electric utilities and the data centers, where the utilities and the data centers sort of have a shared objective here in terms of the utilities want to build more rate base that they can charge to consumers, and the data centers want to get access to the utilities infrastructure that's paid for by ratepayers and not the shareholders of the big tech companies. And so when you're asking working families to pay higher electric rates so that more infrastructure can be built to serve billionaire-controlled tech companies, that's a problem, and that's an equity issue. In my written testimony, I acknowledge that AI plays a central role in our economy for a number of different important deployments. But the reality is that the infrastructure has to be done in concert with ratepayers and with local residents. And right now we're seeing big tech companies with their expensive lawyers strong-arming communities. And it's not just in liberal democratic areas, it's in red states, it's in conservative areas. And so what we need to see is a balance. And I'm always concerned when in Washington, D.C., everyone says we need permitting reform, right? What permitting reform means is trampling over the rights, the constitutional rights of our communities. We have to have a balance that respects the Constitution and respects communities' ability to live the way that they want to, and not have big tech data centers dominate the discussion.